Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the OnePlus Nord N20. As you might know, OnePlus is known for delivering high-quality smartphones that are both affordable and feature-rich. So, let's dive into the details of the new OnePlus Nord N20. The first thing you'll notice about the OnePlus Nord N20 is its sleek and stylish design. It features a 6.49-inch Full HD+ display with a 90Hz refresh rate, providing you with a smooth and seamless viewing experience. The smartphone is available in two different colors, blue haze and gray onyx, both of which look stunning. Turning the smartphone over, you'll notice the quad camera setup, which includes a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro lens. The camera system is equipped with advanced features like Nightscape, Ultra-Shot HDR, and AI scene detection, ensuring that you capture stunning photos and videos every time. On the front of the smartphone, you'll find a 16MP front-facing camera, which is perfect for taking selfies or making video calls. The front camera also supports features like face unlock and screen flash, making it easier for you to unlock your phone and take selfies even in low-light conditions. The OnePlus Nord N20 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695G chipset, which provides you with lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. The smartphone also comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, giving you plenty of space to store all your photos, videos, and apps. Other features of the OnePlus Nord N20 include a 4500 mAh battery, which can last you a full day on a single charge, and support for Warp Charge 30T, which can charge your phone from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. So, there you have it, the OnePlus Nord N20. If you're looking for a high-quality smartphone that's affordable and packed with features, then the OnePlus Nord N20 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.